listo means ready, lista if you're a lady, and it also means clever, so that's nice. ¿Estás listo para un poquito más de español? Bien. Last time I presented un diálogo entre una recepcionista en un hotel y un cliente, y hoy quiero ampliar la conversación and get you really familiar with it, as well as building un poquito más de vocabulario, some really useful stuff. So we're gonna have el cliente y la recepcionista starting off with buenos días or buenas tardes. Maybe they even arrive in the evening, buenas noches. Notice buenos días y buenas tardes y noches. So you can get that right. And then quiero una habitación. Now quiero is I want. It's not impolite. But if you want to up your level, you could say quisiera. It's a nice word. Quisiera is I would like. Quisiera una habitación doble, individual, con baño. And then, y luego, that's and then, y luego, la recepcionista dice para cuántas noches. Now, dice means she says. La recepcionista pregunta para cuántas noches. And you say para esta noche, or para dos noches, para tres noches, whatever it might be. Then we're going to talk about la comida. And in Espanol, we can have a verb to breakfast, which is desayunar, and a verb to lunch, almorzar. Lunch is el almuerzo, like a morsel. In fact, it's the biggest meal of the day very often. Almorzar is to lunch. And to dine in the evening, normally a smaller meal, is cenar. So if you want to say, I want to breakfast in the hotel. Quiero desayunar en el hotel. Quiero almorzar en el hotel. Quiero cenar en el hotel. También. También is a lovely word. It means also, as well, too. También. Quiero desayunar y cenar también. Quiero media pensión. Quiero desayunar, almorzar y cenar también. Quiero pensión completa. Right. If the receptionist says all right to something, quisiera una habitación doble para esta noche. All right is de acuerdo, de acuerdo. And that's a nice thing for you to be able to learn, a really key piece of vocabulary. De acuerdo. Maybe there are no rooms. The receptionist might say, no me quedan habitaciones. No me quedan means I don't have any left. No me quedan. And she'd probably say sorry with that, which is lo siento, no me quedan habitaciones. So then you need another hotel. She'll give you un número de teléfono, seguro. You might also want to say Firme aquí, if you're playing the role of the receptionist. Now, firme aquí means sign here. Me da is give me. Me da su pasaporte. Me da su documentación de identificación, por favor. Bien, now, I've picked this up because I've written out flashcards on here. This is a really good way to learn. So you can buy flashcards. There's a link in the description if you'd like to buy these ones específicamente. I've put el español on one side, el inglés on the other side. And I've put the phrases in the description as well, so you can copy these out. And then you've got the whole dialogue. En mi opinión, rote learning, memorizing, is a really good part of any curso, because then it's in la cabeza, en el cerebro. And that's really important. If it doesn't get into el cerebro, what's the point? So use these to test yourself. If you need to turn over and see the español, then that's okay. Just go back to the beginning, start again. Until you've got the whole thing memorizado. And then you are ready, if you are using Pasos, Página 52, actividad 2, you can listen to 3 conversaciones just like this, spoken by native Spanish speakers. Es difícil, but the task is quite easy. The task is just to complete how many rooms, individual or single or double, how many nights, do they want a bathroom or do they get a bathroom, and what comida, what meals do they have. If you need to, I imagine you need to listen to a couple of times, give yourself a couple of chances. If you bought the pack, you'll have the transcripts as well. And then actividad 3 on página 53 is just practicing those diálogos yourself. So enjoy those tasks, enjoy your learning. Por favor, give my video a little like, subscribe to the channel, y nos vemos aquí to develop your español un poco más muy pronto. Muchas gracias. Adiós.